What have you been able to eat just yet?
Oh, I had some red pea soup, chicken soup, jerk chicken, brown stew chicken. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the hotel food's great. This is over the past few days, not like all in one day. What have I had? Ackee and saltfish, boiled dumplings, plantain, fruit punch, sorrel.
You're going in.
Yeah.
So breaking news and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now I'll be providing you guys with a very quick update about Dina Smith. So Dina Smith, normally Dina Smith love Jamaica so much, and the people from Jamaica also love Dina Smith so much. The reason is because Dina Smith parents have an originality from Jamaica itself. What I mean is Dina Smith has some bloodline of Jamaica in her body when it comes to her ancestors. What this means is definitely Dina Smith, there is possibilities that Jamaica is her homeland. There is possibility that Jamaica is where our ancestors came from, and that is the reason why Dina Smith is very sharp when it comes to sprinting. And the video you just watched about Dina Smith was a moment she was talking about the food she was eating using a Jamaican accent, and it was beautiful and amazing because not all people can use Jamaican accent in videos. So that was the moment she was being crowned as a Jamaican, and it was definitely an exciting moment. She was calling yam as one of her favorite food, and Jamaicans love yam also. Dina Smith is preparing for her Paris Olympic, and I can't wait to see what she has for this year 2024. Let me hear your opinions, and don't forget to subscribe.